Hi, hello everyone. Myself AKHILA YS. I studied my engineering in Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology, in Davangere, EC branch, and I got placed in incubation from the college, and I selected for the Jspiders Rajajinagar. Here I came and I took up the course called Java Full Stack Developer. Here I completed the Java course and I got placed in a company, and the Shankar Narayan sir who teaches Java very well, and the teachers like Akshay sir and Sridhar sir, they will teach you very good. And the month of joining is August 4, 2022, and I got placed on 1st December 2022. And the overall experience is very nice. The presentations are very much important and they very much required to get placed and get the good communication. And mock ratings and mock is also very important. The thing is you learn how to take a mocks and how to crack the interviews and how to communicate between the interviewers. This is what we all learn from the mock, and this is very much important, which is required to get a knowledge and know about how to clear the interview. Thank you.